I'm happy raw Rainy. I've been raw vegan for over 13 years, and if you used to watch my videos, I missed you so much. I really missed YouTube, and I'm sorry I was away for over half a year. We've been super busy with our Raw Vegan Ninja online program and supporting all the beautiful people there, and we're just so grateful to be able to be on this path, on this beautiful raw vegan path, and support people. I'll talk more about our program in the later videos, and we'll be opening it up again for more people later. And today I wanted to show you how to make a super simple and really delicious banana pancakes, maybe more delicious even than those that you tried before, because I developed this recipe over the years of trial and error. I did like banana pancakes that are traditionally made, and I mean, of course, raw vegan banana pancakes, where they usually blend banana, sometimes add some psyllium husk, and dehydrate them. And they come out pretty okay. For me, they're a bit rubbery, although I overcame this issue by putting a ton of raw vegan jam on them and rolling them, and then waiting for them to suck up this jam, and that kind of softened them up and made them more edible for me. And one day I was shredding some apples for like a smoothie bowl for my partner, and I looked at the banana and I thought, why nobody shreds banana? I thought, can you even shred banana? And of course I took it and I shredded it, and it totally worked. And my partner loved the texture. It's kind of like a porridgey texture, and you can do it totally instead of blending a banana sometimes. And if you want to add some greens in there, it will be kind of challenging, but you can just make a banana green smoothie and then pour it with your shredded banana, or you can just add some green powder for a really quick no blend a meal, a fruit green meal. And then I started experimenting more and more with shredding these bananas and making some cakes, and I have a video of me making the cake, banana cake, and one of the things that came out really good were banana pancakes from shredded bananas. My mom makes them all the time now, and they're just so awesome and delicious. They're more fluffier. They taste the best when you take them straight out of the dehydrator and eat. Although if they sit, they will still be a little bit rubbery. It depends also on how ripe your banana was. The riper your banana, the more watery it will be, and then it will, as a result, be more rubbery. So I try to take bananas which are already developing some spots, and they're quite ripe, but they're not like super ripe, maybe a little bit riper than this ones. So I will show you right here how I make it, and it's so simple. And sometimes I add psyllium husk usually, but today I tried to add lucuma powder instead. And of course you can put both, and of course you can put cinnamon. I don't use cinnamon at the moment. Like I just started getting a little bit away from spices temporarily. And I might talk more about it in my next video. But for now, let's get going with our banana pancakes. So what I do, I shred the banana. I shred 4 bananas in this case. And I just put them in a plate like this. And then I add some lucuma powder. I add 1 heaping teaspoon of lucuma powder for each banana. So I used 4 bananas, so I put 4 heaping teaspoons of lucuma powder, and that's it. You can add some cinnamon and other spices if you like cardamom, maybe some black pepper for more wintry flavor, and we can just put them on a tray, on a dehydrator tray. And if you like, you can use a round form, like a metal little circle that can help you to make these bananas more uniform and more straighter, but I don't really care, so I just put them by hand. And now I'm gonna put them in dehydrator. You can keep them for about 5 to 6 hours before turning them. I will just keep them until tomorrow morning because I live in the other house, and the dehydrator is down here in another different house, different place, and I will just come and flip them when I can, and we'll see how they come out tomorrow. Now we can make a raw vegan jam for our pancakes. Soaked dates, about a cup. Frozen and defrosted blueberries, about a cup if you have, and blend it up. Now this is nice and creamy, and we're gonna add some defrosted raspberries. Just don't put the juice in, otherwise it will be too watery. You can drink the juice with some date soaking water. And just mix it in. We can put it in a jar. And you can store it in the fridge for about a week, if it lasts you so long. Pancakes, jam. Put the pancakes on a plate and load it up with jam. My pancakes in the fridge overnight, and now they're more delicious, I think, because they soaked up the jam, and it looks just like a cake. A nice stack of pancakes, and I will just dig in. See how easy? It's like a cake. It's so good. I would say, as much as I can remember from the past, It's even more delicious than regular pancakes, but of course, it's up to you. You can try and decide for yourself which ones you like better. And if you would like to try more banana-based recipes, I have a whole book, a revolutionary banana book, all about bananas with banana recipes. You can check it out in the link. I'll put it in the description below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Hopefully in the near future, I will do my best to film at least once a month now. And I'm wishing you an amazing 2021. I hope all your beautiful dreams and goals will come true this year, and also that you'll get healthier and happier. And I will see you again in the next video. Bye!